We are finally here at the forest. This is so exciting.
Come, children, let us get your backpacks ready for hiking. I love my pink backpack. It has all my things inside.
I brought my water bottle. I will need it for walking.
Look at this sign. It shows us where the trail goes.
It says Forest Trail, 2 miles. That means we walk far. Mommy, what animals will we see in the forest today? We might see birds and squirrels. Keep your eyes open.
Let us start our adventure. Everyone stay on the path, please.
Look up there. I can see a beautiful bird in the tree.
I can hear it singing. The bird sounds very happy today. That is a robin. Robins have a red chest and sing sweetly. Wait, stop everyone. I think I see something over there. Look, something shiny is sparkling in the sunlight. Can you see?
Where? I want to see it too. Show me where it is. You are right, Anna. I can see something shiny over there.
Good eyes, Anna. You noticed something we all missed.
Let us go look carefully. Everyone, watch your step, please. The leaves make a crunchy sound when we walk on them.
I can see it now. There is something under these leaves.
Let me move these leaves away. Be careful. Stay back.
What is that? It looks very old and interesting.
It is some kind of old compass. It shows directions.
Let me see it, please. I want to look at it too.
This looks very old and special. Someone must treasure it. Look, there are letters on the back. What do they say?
It says WH. Those are someone's initials, like a name.
This compass belongs to someone special. They must be sad. We need to find the person who lost this. Can we help?
Yes, let us find the owner. We can be like detectives. That is a wonderful idea. Let us try to find the owner.
Maybe we will meet someone looking for it on the trail.
Keep your eyes open, everyone. Look for anyone searching.
Look, there is someone over there by that big tree.
That man looks worried. He is searching for something.
You are right. He keeps checking his pockets and bag.
Anna, you found the compass. Would you like to ask him? I feel a little scared, but I want to help him.
I will come with you, Anna. We can do it together.
Excuse me, sir. Did you lose something on the trail today?
Yes, I lost my compass. It means so much to me.
Is this your compass? We found it under some leaves.
That is it. Oh, thank you so much. This was my grandfather's. I thought I lost it forever. You made me very happy. Thank you for raising such wonderful and kind children. My grandfather gave me this compass when I was your age.
That is a beautiful story. Your grandfather sounds very nice.
Thank you again. Have a wonderful hike today, good friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care of your special compass. Have a good day. Let us go see the beautiful view from the top.
What a beautiful view. We can see the whole valley. Today was the best day. I am so happy we helped that man.
Me too. Finding things and helping people is really fun.
We are so proud of you both. You are very kind.
This was a wonderful family adventure. I love you all.